Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for JP Morgan. If you want to sign up and get started with JP Morgan's, then here's how you can easily do it. First of all, go and tap open your App Store and search for JP Morgan application inside the search box. Once you come across this application, simply download the app and tap on the open button. Now, from the first interface, simply tap on sign up to get started signing up with JP Morgan. Select your account type from the drop-down. Select whether you'd like to enroll to personal banking, business banking, or business and personal both. After you are done making a selection, enter an account number or your debit or credit card number. Also make sure to provide your social security number and select a username for yourself. Tap on the next button and you will then be asked to create a password for your account. Fill in the rest of the information, follow through all the prompts till the end, and you can complete your enrollment. Also be prepared to provide documentation such as proof of income and address. Your minimum deposit requirements may apply for certain accounts, and you will be able to complete your sign-up process. So that is how you can easily open up a bank account on JP Morgan online. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.